Starting from this lesson, we'll start our JavaScript and jQuery study. Using JavaScript, we can manipulate HTML and CSS codes and control web page behavior. For example, we can create a carousel using JavaScript. This is the button we created in our previous lesson, but it doesn't work at the moment. If you want this button to work, you'll need to learn JavaScript. We can also use JavaScript to validate user-submitted data. When you're registering with a website, if the username you pick has already been registered, you'll be told so right away. This is achieved using Ajax. You need knowledge in JavaScript, backend language, and database to achieve that. JavaScript alone is not enough. What is the relationship between JavaScript and jQuery? After you've taken a few JavaScript lessons, you'll start to feel that despite being a powerful and brilliant tool, JavaScript is not very convenient to use. To solve this problem and improve development efficiency, people have developed many products based on JavaScript. All commonly used functions have been integrated. This means you don't have to reinvent the wheel again and again. Your development efficiency will be greatly improved. jQuery is one of those products. At this moment, it's the most popular JavaScript-based product. Many other front-end frameworks have developed with the help of jQuery. Therefore, before you start to learn any front-end frameworks, you're highly recommended to master jQuery first.